Welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video we are going to show you how to generate your own talking avatar. Remember to press the like video and subscribe to my channel.
I wanted to do a quick video here to show you how to create your talking avatar. So if you want to create a video like the one that I did here, created a welcome video for a new channel that I am starting called She Speaks AI. And this is my welcome video. I'm going to show you exactly how I did that. Let me give you a little clip of what it sounds like.
Welcome to She Speaks AI, the channel where we show you the world of artificial intelligence to empower you, the entrepreneurs, coaches, and creatives, with the
All right, so this is my avatar, and I made this in Canva using the DID AI presenters. So let me show you how I did it. All right, so the first thing you want to do is pull up your Canva, and you can select whatever video size you want. So if you want to have, a video for YouTube, which is what I'm going to do, or if you want to just have a video, let's say for an Instagram short, or you're going to do a video for, whatever the size video you want, that is the video that you're going to select. So you can just go ahead and create your design or use whatever video you have. I'm going to use the video size because that's the one that I want to show you how. And then you're going to come to this blank page, right? So you've got this blank page, and this is going to be your video, whatever size that you have. Now you'll need to have a picture. I created my picture in Bing. So I'm going to go ahead and, so I created my picture in Bing, a Microsoft Bing, or now it's called Copilot. You can create your picture wherever you want, and it can look however you want it to look. If you have some pictures, let's say that I wanted to do this one as an avatar, I could do this one as an avatar, and this one would be a great one. One thing I want to point out is that you want to make sure when you generate your images that your avatars are or your presenters, whatever you want to call them, that they're looking at the screen, because otherwise it will look funny if you have one that looks like this and they're looking over to the side. Remember, the AI, the one that I'm going to show you, doesn't adjust for the eyes here. The head will move a little bit, but the eyes won't. So you'll have this talking avatar and they'll constantly be looking off to the other side of the screen. So that's not what you want. You want something like this where they are moving. The lips will be moving, the head will move a little bit, but the eyes will be looking at you, okay? Let's see here. This is the one that I use because I love this picture. She's looking straight at us, right? She's looking straight at me, and her mouth is in a great position. I love the background there, so that's what I use. This is another one that I will most likely use. I'll use this one as well on the channel. The one thing that I didn't like, so I'm going to have to finagle this video a little bit, and I may just use it just as it is. I didn't like that it had the sides here. I don't know why it generated it like that, but I'm going to have to do an extend on the video, but I need to get rid of the sides first before I can extend the video in camera. That's a tutorial for another day. But so once you have decided what picture you are going to use, you'll go ahead and open up your Canva like we just did, select the video size that you want, and then you come on over here to apps. This is so simple. So you come over here to apps and you type in D, and then you'll see it right there, D-IDAI presenters. Go ahead and select that, and it's the very first one here. Takes a little bit to load. All right, so you can see the avatar that I've used. You can see that I've played around with it. They've got a couple of their own, but you probably will just upload your own. So whatever you'd like to upload there. Here is what you want your avatar to say. You can also choose the languages that you want. So right now it's on the United States English. In my video, I had it on English South Africa. Okay, there's two voice styles for English South Africa. but for English United States, let's go back to that. There's many of them. There's many of them. They tend to sound more European, and so if you're looking for a European type voice, then you can select that one. I like the Ava one, so we'll take a look and see what those sound like here in a minute. And then you can always preview the speech. Now, this is not free, right? It costs for you to generate a video. So as I have it right now, it costs with just welcome friend, it's going to cost me 1 credit. You see, I have 34 credits left. I'm going to go ahead and go over to the pricing panel so that you can see what that looks like. We've got a trial that you can do for 14 days. You get up to 5 minutes of a video, and you can do 20 sessions for agents. This is new. I haven't played it with that yet. And then you have your personal license, full screen watermark. Actually have something out to them right now because I actually am on the light plan right now, right? And so on the light plan, it's got the DID, watermark, and that's what it's supposed to look like in the corner there. But mine is looking like that. So no, I don't want that. I want this. So this is, and then the AI watermark is for the next one, which is $16 a month or $108 a month if you want to customize your own watermarks. Okay. So you've got these 3 plans that are available, but right now you can go in and try it for 14 days. I would suggest having all of the content that you want to have so that you can just generate your videos instead of your 14 days being over. And you're like, oh no, I didn't do that. Um, and so, yeah, so these are the plans, and you can pay monthly. I mean, you can pay annually, right? You can pay annually, and then this is what you're billed at, or you can, monthly, and then that's what you're billed at. You get 40 credits. And then what I like about it is that it'll tell you before you present, as you add, how many credits you have. So let's go ahead and go back to Canva, and you'll see I'm at 1 credit. Now, if I paste in all of what I had before, right? Um, oh no, that's not what I had before. I had. So it changes, and it's based on credits are estimated. Actual credits usage depends on the chosen language, voice, and style. It also changes on how much text you have because it changes based on the amount of minutes that is used. So for my one, it used 6 credits. So between the voice and the style that I had, and up to 10 minutes. So 1 credit is up to 15 seconds of video, right? So, yeah, so this is why you want to use it wisely. But let's go ahead and get into this. So I'm not going to generate more credits, but let me see. So you can upload here. Let's go ahead and upload video or a picture that I want to use. And so remember that this one would not be a good picture. Why? Because she's got her head tilted to the side. So I don't think that that's personally going to come out right. But this one is a great picture to use. And I'm just demonstrating for you because I'm not actually going to generate a video, but this is the one that you'll use. You just want to make sure it's highlighted, and then you'll put your context in here. So it had welcome friend already there. Um, thank you for you to channel. Okay. So now with that I've typed, it's only 1 credit. I might go ahead and do it. Let's see here. Welcome back to In this video, we're going to show you how to generate your own talking avatar, right? So I have that highlighted, and then I don't know, I just like this voice here, English South Africa. And then you can preview the speech so that you can hear how it sounds. Because once you hit that generate, you can't see anything, okay? Let's see.
Welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video we are going to show you how to generate your own talking avatar.
So that's how she's gonna sound. Um, what do I want to say here? I want to say something else like to yeah, about that. Make sure you spell right and things. I'm gonna preview it again.
Welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video we are going to show you how to generate your own talking avatar. Remember to press the like video and subscribe to my channel.
Okay. So I've got it highlighted. I've got what I want in there, and then I'm going to press, and it's only using one credit this time. So I had a whole 2-minute video, so it used more than that. Now, when you come over to the actual DID site, let me pull this over here. You have a little bit more options. You can do things like upload your own voice here. So you can create your video actually in the DID interface, and you can upload your own videos and things like that. I'm just showing you how you can
Welcome back to my
do
YouTube
this in
channel.
YouTube,
In
in
this
Canva.
video we are going to show you how to generate your own talking avatar. Remember to press the like video and
So
subscribe to
she's
my channel.
here, she's in here, and then all we need to do is drag this out so that she fills the screen, and let's do
Welcome
it.
back to my YouTube channel. In this video we are going to show you how to generate your own talking avatar. Remember to press the like video and subscribe to my channel.
All right, so now I have created my own avatar talking video. If you're trying to generate your faceless channel, then this is how you can do that, or you don't even feel like presenting that day. So you have your representative, your agent is another thing that they're doing in DID, but your agent talking for you and explaining things for you, at least opening it up for you is a good way for you to do that there. So let me know what questions you have in the comments. Make sure that you press like and subscribe to my YouTube channel so that I can bring you more of these fabulous videos. Until we meet again, be blessed, be fruitful, and multiply.